The Cooper Rentals project included a gravel lot beside the existing property, as well as tenant improvements to the interior, the exterior, and the shop of the building. Cooper had their own design team with us on the project, who worked beside us the whole time. So it was a good team effort to make it come together as it did.
You know what, it wasn't a difficult project by any stretch of the imagination. It was a little bit of everything we did. I wouldn't say there was one specific item where I would say that was a difficult task to carry out. We're very lucky as a JC in town that we work with very good sub-trades. They generally know what we want and what we expect. So yeah, primarily most of our jobs run extremely smoothly.
We had some previous demo done on the space that we had to deal with, and updating the space to today's codes for washrooms and things like that. Their team was great at making decisions quickly and communicating quickly, because schedule was a big challenge on this one. Cooper had a date that they needed to occupy the building and be operating out of it. They also had a large amount of equipment that needed to be relocated to the space to be able to operate. So the whole time we were working, we were kind of aware that we needed to push schedule to try to maximize the fixturing period, all those hiccups that come up in a renovation, to just have time to be able to navigate that efficiently and not disrupt their date that they needed to be able to occupy the space and operate for the public.
I think we worked with the general same kind of sub-trades in town. Yeah, we have a very good group of sub-trades, whether it be electrical, mechanical, the concrete guys we use, all the way through to the Pacific engineers, architects we've worked with in the past. Yeah, we've got a pretty good team behind us, we're lucky that way.
I think high praise needs to be given to the sub-trades and the site level people on the project. Planning and design is great, but if you don't have those people that are going to make it a reality, nothing happens. Thanks to Cooper and their project team and how easygoing they were to work with and accommodating. Thanks to the team here at Shunda and just how everybody pulled together and could roll with the punches and the sub-trades involved. And it was definitely a team effort to make it all come together.